All right. All right. So can you see the screen? Marco, August 2021.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 1 to 10. Roll number 1. Roll number 1 is there. Roll number 1. Roll number 2. Raise your hands. Roll number 2. All right. Roll number 1 to 10. Roll number 5. The first question is for you. The first question.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Read the entire sentence. Read the entire sentence. All right. Did you? Right answer. Did you go anyone interesting last weekend? Roll number 5. Done. Next roll number. Roll number 4. Okay. Next roll number. Are you all wasting time? Roll number 4. Not answering.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 7.
Ma'am. Yes,
Not
ma'am.
answering.
7.
Roll number 7. Not answering.
Yes, ma'am. 7.
Question number 2. Not answering.
Yes, ma'am. I'm 1 minute. Ma'am, does.
Read the complete sentence.
I work as a teacher and my friend.
Does.
2.
Yes, right answer. I work as a teacher and my friend does too. Next roll number.
Roll number 10, ma'am.
Yes. Option.
Hello.
8, ma'am. 8, ma'am.
Ma'am, his job is option 1, ma'am. I think his job is taxi driver.
No. I think dash
He, ma'am,
taxi driver.
fourth number D. I think he is a taxi driver.
I think he is a
Taxi driver.
Next roll number.
Option B.
Next.
8, ma'am. 8. Hello. 8, ma'am.
What is your hometown? The answer already is given.
मैम ऑप्शन
What is the hometown like था? Option already दिया हुआ था. Option was situated, age, like, located. So the question is, the answer is, what is your hometown like? You already done that. Next. Number 5, next roll number. Roll number 8, yeah.
yes ma'am 8.
I'm afraid I dash here for your birthday party.
Yes, so ma'am a option A, I have not to be.
Wrong. Next roll number.
105. I am not having. I am found out.
Yes.
105 क्यों भाई? सीरियल नंबर से चल रहा है, सीरियल नंबर.
Ma'am, roll number 8, ma'am. C, will we not?
Yes, I'm afraid I will not be here for your birthday party.
Yes, ma'am.
C.
Yep.
Next roll number. Next roll number. 10 to 20.
मैम 10 का हो गया, बोल दिए हम एक बार.
11, 10 to 20. How? Hey,
How tall होगा? How tall होगा?
how tall are you? Roll number 13. Right. Number 7. How long have you been working? Option A, right answer. Next roll number.
Yes ma'am.
Would you dash help? Or some me, I.
Me.
Would you like?
Me.
Yes, some help. Next roll number. They dash go to the cinema. They seldom go to the cinema. What does this mean? Yeah. They dash go to the cinema. तुमने कहा है seldom. Now what is the meaning of this sentence? तुमको जाना ही पड़ेगा. हाँ, उसका मतलब क्या होता है?
मैम शायद
रस्ते हैं. तो they seldom go to the cinema का मतलब क्या हुआ? नहीं जाते हैं. ठीक है. तुमने जाना ही पड़ेगा. I seldom को मतलब कि शायद ही कभी जाते हैं, नहीं के बराबर. नहीं. Same. Hardly. I hardly go to the movie. I seldom go to the movie. All the same. Next roll number.
मैम seldom का मीनिंग क्या होता है हिंदी में?
शायद ही कभी.
कभी कभी.
कभी कभी नहीं. बहुत कम, नहीं के बराबर.
आंसर क्या मैम है?
Seldom. Next roll number. Okay. Number 10. We has not played since he dashed the accident. No. Next roll number 18, yeah. नहीं हो तो बोलो. रोल नंबर 18 बोलिए.
Head, ma'am.
What? Anybody in the class?
Head, ma'am, option A.
Ma'am, option is.
Option A is wrong.
Has.
He has not played
Option B, ma'am.
has had. B answer होगा, ठीक है. He has not played since he has had the accident. B. Next roll number. All right. Next roll number. Yes. Next roll number. 20 to 30. 21. Twenty to 30. Twenty to 30. 30 to 40.
Yes, ma'am. 25.
Yeah. Number 1. Dash is called order of the day.
Ma'am.
Dash is called order of the day.
Agenda.
Yes. Agenda is called the order of the day. Next roll number.
Ma'am, 24.
Roll number 24. Dhyan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Minutes
one
are
second,
written in
ma'am. 1 minute.
which tense? Yes. Answer.
Past tense.
Yes. Past tense. Minutes are written in past tense. You
Ma'am,
already
past
the
tense.
option is
Ma'am, past tense.
number 4. Next roll number. Next roll number. Who? Thirty to 40.
Ma'am,
31.
32.
Wait.
Answer the question. You all were in the Icon workshop, so otherwise all this was revised.
दवा मांग के खाएंगे ना जी दवा नहीं खा सकती और क्या वही तो
Hello. What is happening? Resume is a French word.
French word.
It is not an English word. It is a French word. I already had put there because revision was not done in your class since you were having that Python workshop. So resume is a French word. A job application is a
दवा मंगा के खाइए अभी को और नुकसान होगा
now a resume is a French word and a job application is a sales letter. So it is a sales letter. Can anyone tell me how it is a sales letter? How can you explain this? So you can say that a job application is a sales letter. On the basis of this statement, you can be asked to write short answers or long answers worth of 10 marks also. A job application is a sales letter. Anybody who is in the offline can answer this question. How do you think this is a sales letter? What will you be selling in a job application? When you're applying for a job, what will you be selling? Resume. How can you say that a job application is a sales letter? I want this answer. When you're applying in a company, how will it be a sales letter? What will you be selling?
Ma'am, a skill.
Yes, you are selling your capabilities, your
Ideas.
skills, your knowledge. You're giving your time. So this can also be a fill in the blanks, but this can also be a very long answer question. This can also be like an assignment. Yes. In any kind of job, you are selling your skill. So the next roll number and the next question. Who writes the minutes of the meeting? Yes. What is the roll number? It will never come now. So let us start with you, 75. Okay, 79. Read the question. On screen, number 5. Okay. So what is this dash? Who writes the minutes? Open house. Anybody can answer this question?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
assistant or secretary?
Secretary.
वो तो रेडी लिखा हुआ था मैंने जानबूझ के बोला पढ़ा ही नहीं The secretary writes the minutes of the meeting or the personal assistant writes the minutes of the meeting. Next roll number.
Yes, ma'am.
Read number 6. Letters are written in a specific style known as
Format.
formats. It was all done in a classwork because I was revising for semester when you all were in the Python workshop. We did not touch the syllabus, but we were revising the first semester. Okay. Marks हम generally सबको दे रहे हैं. You were asking, yes. Yeah, answer we already. I have already put the answer. In block style of business letter, every line starts in the left margin. Since this is a revision also, so I thought of giving you the entire and be sure that exams will be happening. So, if the fill in the blank is in dash style business letters, every line starts in left margin. So you already you know that the formats are three. There are three formats. Wherein the block style, the semi-block style, and the third intended block. Yes. Here the answer is block style. What are the styles of writing? Block, semi, and modified, indented. Next roll number. Next roll number. In the dash letter, the paragraphs are indented 5-6 spaces from the left of the margin. Yes, the modified block. And here again, the answer is already put there. Effective communication. Effective communication is essential in every aspect of life. Roll number 16. कहाँ है roll number 69? What are the different styles of letters? अभी we just बोले ना. Next roll number. Next question. What is a trial letter? What is a trial letter? ऐसे लिखोगे. Supposing ये 10 marks का question है तो क्या लिखोगे? कि पहली बार हम जब कुछ करेंगे तो ट्रायल ही करते हैं. बुद्धि मत लगाओ, समझे ना? दिमाग लगाने का नहीं है, ये बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन है, लिपा पोती नहीं है. So what is a trial letter? So when first time you order something, when you want to buy something, you do not. तो तुम हिंदी में बोल रहे थे ना? The trial order, you order something for sampling, for the sampling, and if you like, yes. What do you understand by postscript? Okay. Next question. आपका रिवीजन करा दे रहे हैं हम. बताइए, फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का एंटायर कवर कर रहे हैं पोर्शन. So what is postscript? Anybody in the class? देखो question number 3.
adding something at the end of the letter or
Very good.
any messages.
You write something post after you finish off the letter, then
Yes,
you write postscript, PS. When you want to add something. लेटर के बाद लिखा जाता है PS and NB. One line. what is the communication flow of a memo? Huh? फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का है. All right. The communication flow is either downward. Write down, please. Either downwards, horizontal. It means the boss writes to somebody in the lower status. And horizontal, manager will write to manager. Faculty will write to faculty. एक ही level में, the same hierarchy, horizontal. And downward flow is when the top boss will write to the lowers. Like the manager will be writing to the assistant manager. ठीक है? तो समझ में इसका आ गया ना? Downward flow and horizontal flow. क्या बताइए, समझाइए हमको. क्या आएगा? मेमो आएगा. ऑर्डर. और या तो फिर इन द सेम horizontal. Next roll number. What is the importance of letter head? करीब 50 क्वेश्चन डले होंगे इसमें, जो कि पूरी एंटायर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर कवर कर रहे हैं. So what is the importance of letterhead? लेटरहेड में क्या क्या होता है बताइए आप पहले. No idea. लेटरहेड होता है क्या? कंपनी का जो लेटर राइटिंग पैड होता है ना,
Top of the
that is the
letter,
letterhead.
ma'am.
और लेटरहेड में कंपनी का लोगो रहता है, कंपनी का नेम रहता है, कंपनी का एंटायर एड्रेस रहता है, email ID, fax, everything is there. So what is the important? It is very important because it contains everything about the company. All the information of the company is given in the letterhead. And what is inside address? Yes, what is inside address?
Ma'am, receiver's address.
What is the inside address?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
recipient address.
Yes, ma'am.
The person you are writing to, his address will be in the inside address. जिसके एड्रेस आप एनवेलप पे डालेंगे, उसी का एड्रेस आप इनसाइड एड्रेस डालेंगे. रिसीवर्स सेंडर तो लेटर हेड में है, रिसीवर एड्रेस. What is the difference between formal and informal communication? What is the difference between formal and informal communication? All right.